Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to use Leadconnector, a dedicated domain for your email service on Gohighlevel so as to avoid spam. So all you have to do is come here to settings, then email service, then you see dedicated domain. So you click on add domain. So I can say something like mg.buzzupacademy.com. Then I click on add and verify. So it's going to give you the list of all of these. Now that MG itself is the subdomain. Then you need to head over to your DNS zone editor for your domain. So it can either be wherever you buy it, maybe Google Namecheap, GoDaddy, HostGator, Bluehost and so on. So you can see all we have here. So I need to create all of that. So the first one I'm creating is the test file. So I'm going to copy the host name and this is the record. So this test. So then the value, I'll copy the value here and paste. Then I'll choose the list minutes or hours. Then I click on create. You can see that has been created. So same goes to the second one. The second one, which is now the second one is mg. Oh, sorry, the first one there was a mistake. I didn't check properly. One thing is this is your base domain, which is buzzupacademy.com. You don't need to copy anything buzzupacademy.com. All you just need to copy is anything that precede Buzzup Academy. So let's edit the previous one. Oh, let's just delete and start again. So test. So you paste. Then let's copy the value to be entered. Then the minimum 5. Okay, it's 5 minutes. Then that's that. Then same goes to this one. So all I just do is copy this mg alone and this value for the txt file again. So mg, you can see this dot buzzed academy, then value, then 5 minutes, then I create. Then this, the next one is our cname and I'm copying email dot mg alone. That's it. Click on cname, then this is the value, then this 5 minutes. Then the next one I copy is mg, that's my ms file. So this is my ms file. So add your own ms record. So the first one is mg, then I paste, then 5 minutes. Oh, sorry, priority should be either 10. This is the destination. Let's check the priority we have 10. So we'll create. Then I create the second ms record, which is mg as well. Then my priority is 10. Then my time 5 minutes. Then destination, all that changes in the two is just MSA and MSB. Then I click on create as well. Then I head over here, I verify. So I just wait and give it a few minutes. Okay, you can see we are left with this one alone. So is all is done now. This has so verify again. So it's going to take you that we are done. So pending verify the domain. All is done. So that's how to add a custom domain, a dedicated domain. So you can see SSL issued done. Thank you.